You're here because packing for long-term travel can be overwhelming when you're not used to it. Lori and I here have you covered because between the two of us, we have 24 years experience traveling 6 months per year. We're gonna share with you today how we pack for that. You don't want fancy-dancy intros, you wanna get right to the meat of the video.
Electronics. This is what we pack for our long-term travel in our suitcases. Some goes in carry-on and some goes in our checked bag. So we each travel with a laptop and accompanying charging cable, a large capacity storage device for our media, video and photo, and then some smaller capacity storage devices. We pack a cell phone and charger. I personally pack two kinds of headphones. I pack one disposable kind of one for on the airplane or scrunchy ones for travel. And then I pack a wireless headset that I love to just when I'm walking in the street or working out so I don't interrupt air with music and whatnot. Speaking of music, we pack our favorite portable speaker. We had a different one before. JBL was very good. Now we have this awesome Bose and we purchased a separate carrying case for it so it doesn't get too scratched up. We'll pop a link below. We love it. You might too.
So for me, some of the items that I carry, oftentimes when we're traveling in these countries like Asia, Southeast Asia, Central South America, Mexico, we'll have situations where the outlets aren't thought out like you're used to in the US or Canada, and they're in spots that you're not really expecting, or there's very few of them. So I like to pack a 1 to 3. In this format, it gives me about 2 feet of extension, and then I like to pack this one that goes right into the wall, which is also a 1 to 3. It just gives you more versatility for how many devices you can plug in when you find yourself in a scenario that there's not enough outlets to go around. When we're in certain countries, here in Ecuador, the plugs are the same as you're used to at home. But when we traveled to Australia or Southeast Asia, some of the plug configurations were different. And so we will often carry one of those multi-plugs for countries like that. Hey, if you're getting value from this video, now's a great time to press that like button. We pack a HDMI cord. This one here I think is 6 feet long. We actually pack 2 of them. And we pack female to female barrel connectors so you can plug 2 of them together. Oftentimes the HDMI cords that come with the TVs that are included in your accommodations are short. So we like to lengthen these out. It just gives us more versatility and they weigh almost nothing, so HDMI cord.
Or the accommodation you book doesn't have an HDMI cable at all, just a TV on a wall, and so we wanna play something from our laptop and connect it and have a bigger screen, so those are awesome.
Good point. I pack these sort of upscale, a little bit Bose headphones. They're not the top of the line. I think they're around $100 or a little bit less, but the reason why I pack them is because they have the ear pads that cover my entire ear. So they do cancel out some sound, but more importantly, it gives me more of a rich music sound for when I'm working out, or if I'm editing videos, for example, I'll get a better representation of the sound that's actually happening through them. So these are gold for me. I can recommend those. We also pack a GoPro, which you're watching this video on right now. And the GoPro is a good all-purpose camera. Underwater, it's raining, whatever, you can take it with you. It's small. It does a lot of things for you as far as preserving your vacation memories. So we can recommend traveling a GoPro, whether you're making videos like us for YouTube or not. The GoPro is right now sitting on a selfie stick, which is a mini tripod. We find it super handy. We use it all the time. Again, even if you're not making YouTube videos, if you want to do like selfies or you want to frame up a shot and then you get in it and it's all properly framed, this little tripod will do great for you. Also comes with a remote, so you can walk away from it, press the remote on your phone, and it will take your picture for you, so it's handy.
We love our selfie stick.
Yeah. Still in with the GoPro, one thing about them is the batteries are pretty short-lived. They're gonna run 20 to 30 minutes and then they're gonna poop out on you. So we recommend grabbing extra batteries for your GoPro. I think we travel with 4. Yeah. We could even upscale from that. And then of course, you're gonna wanna charge those batteries. And so this is a triple barrel battery charger. I think it's from company Tellison, and it charges GoPro batteries and universal batteries made for it.
And if you want to find some of these products for yourself to purchase, we'll make it a little faster for you and pop some links below in the description.
Yeah. Like Lori mentioned, we travel with cell phones. No special mention there other than we don't really use it. We don't use it as a phone when we're traveling. We turn off all those capabilities. We use it as basically a GPS figure out where we're at, and we use the camera, of course, and the video capabilities. This power bank though, this is kind of like the Coupe de Gracie. This is magical because this little guy here will charge up both of our cell phones probably 4 to 5 times if we're ever out and about, which we often are. It will also charge up our GoPro batteries, which we found out in a pinch. So if we run all of our GoPro batteries dead when we're out, this thing will give us life, put us back in business. This is a super handy device when you're out and about and you can't plug in anywhere. It will really bridge the gap for you. This little drone here provides us a versatile, small aerial camera that creates professional style, professional quality video and photos. And we use it, of course, to make YouTube videos, but also it creates an excellent way to preserve unique shots of you and your vacation. So we can recommend that you travel with one of these, whether you're making YouTube videos or not. I think we probably would. This one here is the DJI Mini 2. And for the price, which is reasonable, we find, it creates excellent memories that will last a lifetime for you. These are the items we currently travel with as far as electronics go. Well, that's pretty well our whole lives in 4 little bags. We're all packed up. Maybe we should go somewhere.
I'm ready to go.
We encourage you to watch this video next.